What's up, lawn dogs? Jeff Foster here, Ulnar Lawn Care, ulnarlawncare.com. Hey, as many of you know, I left the Army back in July. I moved to Fremont, Michigan. That's where I'm setting up base for Ulnar Lawn Care in my home, or not my hometown, but the town we're calling home now. They're doing something kind of cool here. What is that? Hey, stick around and I'll tell you about it. So what they do here in Fremont is have hay art, and all the companies or privately owned people, I guess houses, anybody can do it. Sign up with Chamber of Commerce and do this hay art competition. So here I am. First one I'm stopped at is West Michigan Family Dental. I don't know, they're kind of reversed here. And what they set up was a drive-in. So let me show you that real quick. There's some cars and they're staring at the sign. So let me flip this around and show you what I'm talking about. So as you can see, they got the cars all there with the little speakers staring at the drive-in sign, or their sign. So this is the dentist, West Michigan Family Dental, and this is their hay art for the contest this year, 2019. All right, so as we go, I'm gonna go ahead and stop at all of them on the list. We're gonna record them and show them to you in this special edition of Ulnar Lawn Care's YouTube channel. But man, I think this was pretty cool. First time I saw it, I thought it was just a bunch of race cars. But then I started looking at it like, wait a minute here. Headlights are all pointing at the sign. Tail lights, everything. And then I'm like, what are those? Like, oh, those are the speakers. And they even got one backwards for the truck. That's awesome. All right. On to the next one. Hey lawn dogs, all right, here we are. Here's the next one. We're at Gerber Federal Credit Union, and they got the eyeballs kicking. Open your eyes to a credit union. Pretty cool. All right, on to the next one. All right, this is Snipper Salon, and you can see it over there. The little scarecrow pumpkin thing. It looks cool from here. But that's another one. So I think this one is cool. All right, on to the next one. All right, lawn dogs, we're at the next one. This is Gears Family Chiropractic. What do they got for us? Beautiful yard. I need to cut that one. Boom. Little farmer. It's kind of cool. I like his button eyes. Detail in his pants and everything are just outstanding. All right, on to the next one. All right, guys and gals, we're at the next one, Fremont Area Community Foundation, and they have the dragon. That one's that's pretty cool. I do like this one. So they got the dragon. You can see the other one over there. I don't know, it's a sunflower. See if I can't get a better view of that one. But I'm gonna come back and get a view of other ones here in a minute. So on to the next one. All right, I'm here at Choice One Bank, and their hay art is Slinky the dog. Look at that. Let's see if I can get back a little bit more. Oh, walking on the road. Look at that guy. That's pretty cool. With hose as the Slinky tail. That is a pretty awesome one. All right, on to the next one. All right, lawn dogs, right across the street at Goodwill, we have the Mummy. It's kind of cool. The Mummy at Goodwill. All right, on to the next one. All right, lawn dogs, here we are at the next one. We're at Fremont Insurance since 1876. What do they have? The Witch's Cauldron. That's pretty cool right there. Their little saying, Fremont Insurance. Policies are so great they'll put a spell on you. There it is, Witch's Cauldron. Man, I really need to put some Christmas lights on that building. I hope they call me back. All right, on to the next one. All right, here's the next one. I don't know exactly. To me, it looks like some kind of popcorn stand, concession stand type guy. So this is at a residence house. I don't really want to scan their house. Yes, I do. There it is. All right, here it is. So, all right, on to the next one. All right, lawn dogs, this next one is at Trillium Springs. I don't know if you can see the sign there, but let's scan back and check out theirs. Boom! Check that little sunflower out. That one's bright. That one's pretty awesome. I like it. I think she's winking at me. I'm married. On to the next one. All right, Traditional Health Services of Fremont. They have the camper. They got I like the wheel. Got a wheel down there, fireplace. There is a few campers. This is the first of, I think I've seen 3 total, so this is the first of 3. So, on to the next one. All right, we're at Green Acres Retirement Living, and they have the bee. And you know, Green Acres is the place to be. Isn't that a song? A TV show or something? All right. Guess what? Oh my God, those are the pipes to a toilet. That's so cool, you know, the little float things. On to the next one. Now I believe this next one's part of this funeral home that I am not going to pronounce. But it could be this residential lot it's into. I don't know, maybe they're related. Maybe the owner of that funeral home lives in the house. I don't know. But anyway, I haven't been able to find Dory in all this hunt, but I did find Nemo. Check him out. You know it's Nemo, why? Because he's got the little fin. Just keep swimming. That one's pretty cool. On to the next one. All right, y'all, this is water care. We got some hard water here in Fremont, so this is part of our water softeners, one of the companies and we can use for our water softeners. And they have done the Frog King. Look at that. It's pretty creative. Pretty creative. All right, well, on to the next one. All right, we're now at Myers, and they have the purple cow. I think that has something to do with milk or something, I don't know. Out here a little bit. Pretty good. It's pretty good. All right, gotta go in and get something and heading home. More to come.
Well, lawn dogs, there's a lot more hay art out there. I recorded with my phone, but for some reason it didn't turn out at all. Well, I think there's a setting off my phone, but there's a Gary the Snail, which was cool. There's an owl. I like that. eyes lit up. There's a skeleton where the eyes lit up. There's like a candy hut. A bunch of other ones. Johnny Cash playing guitar, which is pretty cool. But I couldn't get them all. There's just so many of them. But I think it's cool that Fremont does that, and I wanted to share this with YouTube community and everybody else, show what I did film. So anyway, hey, respect each other. I want you guys to have a great week, great autumn, great harvest season. For us lawn care guys, great fall cleanup season. And this is Jeff. I'm out. See ya.